price and availability. The Alienware 17R5 starts at a fairly reasonable $1,549 price and is decently equipped with an Intel Core i7-8750H, factory overclocked NVIDIA GTX 1060, Full HD IPS display, 8GB of RAM and 1TB hybrid hard drive. You might scoff at the solid-state hybrid drive, but it's better than a plain old spinning drive, and you can always install an affordable SSD later on. Unfortunately, the UK and Australian listings for this laptop are a little behind the curve. The starting configuration in these territories still comes with a last-generation Intel Core i7-7700HQ, a standard NVIDIA GTX 1060 and 8GB of RAM, but a 128GB SSD complemented by an 1TB HDD, for £1,348 or $2,298. To even consider the latest 8th generation CPUs, you'll have to spend at least £1,849 or $2,999 for an Intel Core i7-8750H powered system that also doubles the memory capacity. Our own review configuration features an almost fully loaded spec list for an equally impressive $3,949, £3,235, $5,465. It's been a while since we've seen the price of a gaming notebook go so high, but it seems par for the course as far as Intel Core i9 machines go. The $3,999, £3,499, $5,899 MSI GT75 Titan costs as much as the Alienware 17R5 for identical specifications. Meanwhile, the Asus ROG G703Gi runs for a little less at $3,699 or £3,499, about $2,745, while featuring a 2TB HDD. That said, the Alienware 17R5 differentiates itself with a factory overclocked NVIDIA GTX 1080, QHD, 2560 by 1440 120Hz G-Sync display and an integrated TBII tracking module. Both Asus and MSI's competing systems feature Full HD, 1920 by 1080, resolution displays rated for 144Hz and 120Hz refresh rates, respectively.